Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas 2019. So this year the Vlogmas starts a day earlier because today I was just passing by a store and I saw this product to dye the hair. I was looking for it. I think. Yeah, here it is. So I found this product. So right now I'm going to dye my hair, and while I'm waiting, because we have to wait after applying this mixture, you have to wait, I think it's 20 minutes, yes. I'm going to be working because I have a lot of stuff to do for college, and good morning guys, it's the 1st of December and I already woke up and tried to upload a video, which is not going so good, as you can see. It's fine. So today I'm going to the zoo and I just need to get ready. So this is the outfit. I'm just wearing high-waisted shorts from Pull&Bear, I guess. Just a cozy sweater and a scarf. I really like this kind of scarves because they're so cozy. And yeah. So yesterday I dyed my hair, as you saw, and the hair is just not like as bright as I was expecting, but it's so more homogeneous. But someone answered, like, replied to my story and said that you have to be exposed to the sun so you can just open up the color, and so let's see today how it goes.
Yourself a merry little Christmas night, and have yourself a merry little Christmas.
Hey, so it is the 2nd of December. It is almost 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and I already am in my PJs, my Christmas PJs, because it has all the stars and the hearts and everything, and it's so cozy. I got a lot of work to do, and so that's gonna be my day, and after we're going to put up all the Christmas decorations, like the tree and everything, and yeah, that's the plan for today.
Pera. Põe as pernas no banco. E agora larga a minha cabeça.
Sim.
Hey! É para vlog da Tita. Say hi to Tita's vlog. Show me your mustache.
We've no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. And the fire is slowly